Hello, Dr. Brian Petrie from the Rainham Neck and Back Pain Relief Center, and I'm here today with.
Emo yeah.
He's come to see us originally with chronic back pain, but he's also had a history of knee problems that have been giving him problems for how long?
Replacement for 4 years.
You had a knee replacement about 4 years ago,
Right.
but you continue to experience pain and restriction within the knee?
Yep.
Okay, so we did an examination and we performed a procedure known as Trigenics to the knee. And how did that procedure feel?
Feel much better.
Much better?
Yeah, about 50% better.
50% better. How long did that procedure take?
About 5 minutes, maybe.
About 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. What was the level of pain prior to, on a scale from 0 to 10 before we did the treatment?
5.
5 on a 10 scale?
5 or 6, yeah.
5 or 6. And after we did the procedure?
Down to 1 or 2, yeah.
Down to 1 or 2 in 5 minutes. Go ahead and show me the range of motion that you have in there now.
Go all the way down?
You go all the way. Okay, go ahead and come back up. And you weren't able to do that before?
No.
No. Okay. All right. Good job.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
coming in.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank you.